In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in ClickUp. Let's walk through what actually happens when you delete something or perform an action you didn't mean to. Maybe you accidentally remove a task, change a status, or clear something important. In ClickUp, many of these actions can be quickly reversed using a small pop-up that appears right after you make the change. As soon as you delete or modify something, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small notification appear. This is often called a toast message. It's a temporary pop-up that lets you know what just happened. For example, it might say something like, task deleted, or action completed, and next to that message, you'll see an undo button. That undo button is your best friend when you make a mistake. Click it right away to reverse the action you just performed. When you press undo, ClickUp will restore what you changed or deleted, bringing it back to the state it was in just before your last action. So if you removed a task by accident, clicking undo will bring that task back. If you change something unintentionally, undo will roll it back. Timing is important here. The toast message only stays visible for a short period of time, usually just a few seconds. Once it disappears, that quick undo option is no longer available for that specific action. So as soon as you notice you made a mistake, shift your attention to the bottom left corner and use that button right away. If you miss the pop-up or don't click it in time, you may need to rely on other methods in ClickUp, like checking your trash or activity history, depending on what you changed. But when the toast is still visible, using that built-in undo button is by far the fastest and simplest way to fix an accidental click. A helpful habit is to pause for a second after any major change, like deleting a task or moving something important. Just take a quick look at that bottom left notification area before continuing. That way, if you see something you didn't intend to do, you can immediately hit undo and avoid any confusion or lost work. So to recap in simple terms, perform an action, watch for the small pop-up in the bottom left corner, and if you made a mistake, click the undo button right away to reverse